Right then, let's have a look at this property. Tenants left after a 5-year tenancy. Let's see what surprises we have in store. Right, let's go in the lounge. Let's see what we've got. Oh, fair play. Kitchen. That's in good condition though. Just needs a lick of paint. Freshen it up a bit. Let's go upstairs, shall we? The bathroom's like. It's alright, that, isn't it? First bedroom. It's alright. And then this bedroom. Wow. It's massive space. Excuse me. Not too bad. I don't think they're... Let's have a look out the window. It's a wet, horrible day. Let's have a look at the garden. I think the garden's alright, to be fair. So let me know in the comments what you think. That's a 5-year tenancy. Basically they've left the end of the tenancy. That's it, that's all I can say. They've moved on. It's just decorated. Quite a lot of decorating, let's be honest. Obviously where posters and shelves and beds were, and yeah, just needs genuinely a freshen up. But yeah. Pretty good. What's nice? No rubbish. It's a first. It's the first one I've had where I've had no rubbish and no furniture, or apart from that TV thing downstairs. But let me know what you think in the comments. Have you had a nice end of tenancy and there's been no rubbish? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.